everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Dion. If you are new here and clicked on this video, go ahead on and subscribe to my channel to become a chat partner. And to my returning chat partners, I really appreciate you guys' support. Today's video is a simple night routine video. My night routine varies. It just depends on what I have going on that day once I get off work. But this day I didn't have too much going on, and I just wanted to turn the camera on and record it and bring you guys along. I hope you guys enjoy. Okay guys, I just got done washing dishes. So what I'm going to do now is boil me some eggs because I made me a salad that night for dinner. And I also was getting ready to rinse off my vegetables and cook the chicken that I was going to add to my salad that night. Yeah, just sweet and simple. Okay guys, so now I'm done making my salad, and what I'm getting ready to do now is eat my dinner and relax and play my game Best Fiends. Guys, when I tell you that's like my favorite game of all time, I love playing Best Fiends. It relaxes me and it just puts my mind at ease, and it's a joy to me. I love Best Fiends. So if you guys play Best Fiends, comment down below and let me know. What I'm doing now is working in my planner, just trying to go over YouTube videos that I need to edit and get my YouTube schedule up to date. So what I'm doing now is filing down my nails and then adding some conditioner to my nails and some clear fingernail polish. My nails tend to grow only a certain length and then they split on the side. So I have to file my nails down every so often because I don't like when my fingernails get hung up in like a string or just anything. It can be painful to me, so I always try to keep my nails filed and just do things to them to kind of help them become stronger. Okay guys, if you made it this far in the video, go ahead and click that subscribe button to become a chat partner. So yeah guys, this is the end of my video. I end my night off with a skincare routine and then I'm take a shower. I really appreciate you guys watching my video. Thank you guys so much for coming along. It means a lot to me. Always remember you guys are great. And as always, take care, stay safe, and be blessed. Bye guys.